The armadillo is a small to medium-sized mammal known for its distinctive armored shell, which is made of bony plates covered by tough skin. The name armadillo comes from Spanish, meaning little armored one. Characteristics: armor. Their shell acts as protection from predators. Some species, like the three-banded armadillo, can roll into a ball to shield themselves completely. Size. Depending on the species, they range from about 15 centimeters, 6 in, long, pink fairy armadillo, to over 1.5 meters, 5 feet, long, giant armadillo. Diet. Armadillos are omnivores, but they mostly eat insects, grubs, ants, termites, and plants. Behavior. They are good diggers and use strong claws to burrow into the ground for food or shelter. Reproduction. Some species, like the nine-banded armadillo, are unique for producing genetically identical quadruplets from a single fertilized egg. Lifespan. They usually live between 7 to 20 years, depending on the species and environment. Habitat. Found mainly in Central and South America, though the nine-banded armadillo also lives in the southern United States. They prefer warm, temperate, or semi-tropical regions as they cannot survive well in cold climates. Interesting facts: armadillos are excellent diggers but poor climbers. Their low body temperature and slow metabolism make them vulnerable to cold. They are one of the few animals that can carry leprosy and are sometimes studied in medical research. The giant armadillo has up to 100 teeth, more than any other mammal.